Hi, I'm Johanna Ingram with Herald Studio located in downtown Phoenix, where you can have fun learning how to make your own jewelry. And today I'm going to talk to you about cleaning sterling silver jewelry with gemstones. The best way to clean sterling silver jewelry with gemstones is by using warm water and liquid dish soap. Lotion broken up in them so that it will come away when I dip it in my clean water. And I always like to dry off my jewelry with a towel. Thank you for watching How to Clean Sterling Silver Jewelry with Gemstones. I'm Johanna Ingram with Herald Studio, and for more information on me or the studio, you can visit my bio. Thank you.